I'm so happy that today I get to show you one of my favorite places in the world, and by far one of my favorite places from my home country, the Danube Spoilers. This place is magical because you have the Danube River flowing through the mountains. Romania is on one side and Serbia is on the other side, and you can see basically across the border and into a new country. And from Villa Ekaterina, which has an amazing infinity pool, you can glance on the other side from the pool. I'm so happy that I found those videos, which were taken a couple of years ago, and I get to show you the beauty of this place. You can also see Decibal's statue, which was sculpted in the mountain. Decibal was the king of the Dutch, the civilization, the people who lived on the territory of modern Romania before the Romans conquered it, and his statue is sculpted in the mountain. Also, the mountains, because of the consistency of the rock, they're prone to caves, and there's loads of them here. And actually, during the First and Second Worlds, they were used for shelter and for hiding ammunition and food and resources. And you can even visit them. The only way to get there is by boat, but it's easy to take a taxi boat and get there, and it's really worth visiting. I hope that you will get to see this place one day, and at least I hope that you're enjoying seeing it here on the channel, and I hope that in the future I will be able to show you more of those magical places.